Love over hate. That's the message coming from an Ohio State student after he says he was attacked for being gay. Now reaction to the assault has put Cole Ledford of Lebanon on the world stage. Night on your side, Butler and Warren reporter Jay Warren has his story.
20-year-old Cole Ledford of Lebanon was punched at Ohio State after he kissed his boyfriend publicly. He wasn't able to get a good look at his attacker, so he posted a message on Twitter, and that message has gone around the world. Cole Ledford, sitting next to his boyfriend Jared, described the night of the attack.
He kissed me goodnight and turned across the street to walk away. It was raining, so I tried to hurry home, and as soon as I turned around, someone came up and actually punched me, yelling a gay expletive. Knocked me to the ground. By the time I got up, they were gone.
This is a photo Ledford took after the attack, and this is the message that he posted on Twitter.
I'm sorry that you called me. I'm sorry you hit me for no reason. I'm sorry whatever insecurities you have don't allow you to accept others for who they are. I'm sorry I threaten you. I'm not sorry I'm gay. I'm proud to be this way, and I'm proud to be confident enough to love who I love and to love me. I'm proud to have friends and family that love me regardless of me. Honestly, I'm not sorry.
Tens of thousands have since retweeted and favorited his original message, not to mention the coverage of several news outlets.
The first thing was, oh my God, I have to call my mom to make sure she hears it from me before this. I didn't call my mom the night it happened, so she wasn't really prepared for what was happening. So the time I called her, I was already international.
Cole told me that this has been quite a ride since it's happened, and he hopes that his message can serve to be an inspiration to others. Jay Warren, 9 on your side, Lebanon.